Non-Newtonian fluids. Who was Newton?
Isaac Newton was one of those original scientific geniuses who discovered things like gravity. Well, actually, gravity was always around, but Newton noticed it for the first time. Anyway, Newton also came up with the law of viscosity. Here you go. The resistance arises from the lack of slipperiness originating in a fluid. Other things being equal is proportional to the velocity by which the parts of the fluid are being separated from each other. Did you get all that? No? Too bad. All you need to know is that any fluid that obeys that law, say water, is a Newtonian fluid. Any fluid that does not obey that law is, no, wait for it, a non-Newtonian fluid. And these gooey fluids are fun to play with on, yeah, you got it, on non-Newtonian day. Our goop du jour, this stew of cornstarch and water.
One of the things we can do is use this as a liquid and a solid surface.
Okay.
So I can move around, but if I punch it, completely solidifies upon impact. Now because of that, we can set objects on it that are normally floating around, and this is just in a liquid. And as soon as I actually start nailing something onto it, that stress is going to solidify the material.
Yeah, let's see it.
Now you'd never be able to get a nail into wood on water.
Of course.
Well, this is unusual. The stuff resists Jeff's fist like a solid, even though it appears to be a liquid in motion. It's worth taking a closer look back at the lab. The change between states is nearly instantaneous, as warp speed of 1,000 frames per second reveals.
You saw some cool stuff, but this is going to blow your mind.
All right, so we got our speaker going.
At warp speed, we can see the vibration of the speaker. At just the right frequency, the mixture is solid on the way up and liquid on the way down.
These are called the... You want to walk on water?
Wow. So that's literally a gigantic mix of cornstarch and water.
2,500 pounds of cornstarch, to be exact. But before Jeff goes for a stroll, let's ensure that a big pool of goo acts the same as a small container. First, the bat test. It bounces right back.
That's pretty cool.
Throw a little bowling ball.
Yeah, just
Give it a good roll across.
You ready?
Yeah.
But a bowling ball?
Goodbye.
That's nice.
It's really important that you're very careful, because otherwise you might get in trouble.
But remember, it only acts like a solid momentarily. If you don't keep moving...
I'm gone. I'm gone. Oh, man. You can't get out.